Okay, we're going to try this Brussels sprouts. Yes, I know I called them broccoli. I know what Brussels sprouts are. I love Brussels sprouts. Anyway, we're going to try this little meal here. Here's our ingredients. Here's our bag with our little things. We have Brussels sprouts. We have a couple of potatoes. We have, wow, a little garlic salt, a little barbecue seasoning. We have 2 sour creams, a little thing of butter. What we got here? Dijon Grey Poupon. Oh, crushed red pepper. Oh man, they won me over on that one. Hell, I love crushed red pepper. Oh, I got 2 butters. Hang on. This looks like my peach preserves. And one more little butter thingy. Okay, so there's the little Home Chef packet, and I'll get on the directions. First thing I got to do, I think I got to make my potatoes. Number 1, make mashed potatoes. It says peel them. I don't peel my potatoes. I'm going to cut them up, boil them with the skin, and then mash them up. So I'm changing it. All right? Okay, so diced them up. I learned this from Gordon Ramsay. I'm no Gordon Ramsay, but if you cut your items in the same size or close to the same size, they'll cook at the same temperature. If you cook big and small, then you have to cook longer for the bigger pieces, then you overcook the little pieces. So getting them in the same general size is a good deal. Got my water boiling, and we're going to boil those up. Okay, so skipping to the next step here. It says prepare your meat, pat it down, cut those up. Potatoes are boiling. Already cut those up. I'm about to cut open the pork, pat it down, and then season it with their little seasoning. What do they say? Pork chop, dry seasoning, and salt. Okay, the Brussels sprouts are cut face down, a little salt and pepper, rolled it in some olive oil. They wanted me to put sour cream and butter in the potatoes with the garlic salt. I only used 1 of the sour creams. They give you 2 packs. So that's 1 pack of sour cream. Cut that in half. Put both butters. Pork chop's got the seasoning on it, ready to cook. I'm about to put these in the oven, and we're going from there. Okay, pork chops are done. I got to cover them up with some foil. Mashed potatoes are done, and I'm making my sauce with the mustard and peach sauce. So I put the peach sauce in, and now I got to stir that up with my other hand. So the mustard, peach sauce, and crushed red pepper is in there. Okay, Brussels sprouts are done. Ooh, they look pretty good. I wonder if I should try one of them. Pretty good. Probably needs a little crushed red pepper. Potatoes are done. Chops are done. Plate it neat, baby. It's chow time. I'll let you know how it is in the comments. Okay, it's pretty stinking good. In case Gordon Ramsay's watching me, he's a biggie on if there's any chunks in your potato, he'll like have a cow. So I'm sorry, Gordon, if you're watching me for any tips. I don't mind chunky potatoes. He's a biggie. And I cleaned the plate a little bit. I didn't clean it as good as Gordon, but he's a biggie on clean plates. Also, the plate wasn't hot. Don't serve hot food on a cold plate. So I know what I'm supposed to do, but I didn't do it all. Thanks, Gordon, for all your tips. I love Gordon Ramsay. All right, well, in that there, turned out pretty good.